Yes. Another question in chemistry made easy. What volume of oxygen will be left unreacted when a mixture of 100 cm cube of hydrogen and 200 cm cube of oxygen are exploded in a eudiometer? These are the options. This question is a question coming from the gas laws, specifically Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes. What did the law state? It says when gases react, they do so in their volumes, and to the volume of the product if the product is gaseous, provided temperature and pressure is constant. When gases react, they do so in their volumes, and to the volume of the product if gaseous, provided temperature and pressure remain constant. Okay, to solve this, we need to know, chemistry with chemical reaction go hand in hand. So we need to know what chemical reaction would occur when hydrogen is exploded with oxygen. What do we get? 2 plus this. Remember that hydrogen is diatomic, oxygen is diatomic. So this is how a molecule of hydrogen and oxygen look like. So when they react, what do we get? What we get commonly is water. To balance this, there will be 2 here and there will be 2 here. So 4 hydrogen atoms reacting with 2 oxygen atoms to give us this. Or better still, 2 molecules of hydrogen reacting with 1 molecule of oxygen to give us 2 molecules of water. Now, to solve this question, what do we have initially? From this, when this reacts by their volume relationship, according to Gay-Lussac's law, 2 volumes, these two volumes of this one stands for 1 volume, will give us 2 volumes. It's a gas, this is a gas, this is also a gas, that is water vapor. So what Gay-Lussac's law is saying is, from this equation, we will need 2 volumes of hydrogen to react with 1 volume of oxygen. Now look at from this question. The volume of hydrogen we have is 100 cm cube. This 100 cm cube of hydrogen would be needing half of the volume. This is 2:1. So this volume of hydrogen will be needing the half the volume of oxygen, which will be 50 cm cube, to give us 2 volumes of water vapor. If 2 volumes of hydrogen is 100 cm cube, definitely the 2 volumes of water vapor will also be what? 100 cm cube. This is not mathematical addition. This is obeying the principles or the law of Gay-Lussac's law of combining volumes. We are only looking at the volume relationship. We are connecting volume and molecule. That's why it says when gases react, they do so in their volumes and to the volume of the product if the product is gaseous. So that's why I extended this relationship to the product, because the product also is gaseous. Now this is what happens. So from the question, it says what volume of oxygen will remain unreacted. Remember our initial volume of oxygen before the reaction, initial volume of oxygen before the reaction is how many? 200 cm cube. The volume of oxygen used in the course of the reaction, volume of oxygen used up in the reaction to produce this water vapor is 50 cm cube. So what volume will remain unused? Volume of oxygen unused, volume of oxygen unused will be 200, which is the initial, minus 50 used, giving us 150 cm cube, which is C. I hope this is understood. If you enjoyed the class, please follow this page, like and share. Thank you.